Hello student, you are very welcome in my channel Kiran Study Point. In this video, we will know that what are internal body parts and its function. So please watch the video till the end. The organ inside our body are called internal body organ. We cannot see them as they are covered by the skin. First internal organ is heart. It's the muscle at the center of your circular system pumping blood around your body as your heart beats. This blood sends oxygen and nutrient to all parts of your body and carries away unwanted carbon dioxide and waste product. Heart has 4 chambers. Next internal organ is kidney. And the functions are remove wastage and extra fluid. Your kidney act like a filter to remove wastage and extra fluid from your body, control blood pressure. Your kidneys need pressure to work properly, make red blood cells, keep bones healthy, control pH levels. Next internal organ is liver. And the functions are albumin production, bile production, filters blood, regulates amino acids, regulates blood clotting, resists infections, stores vitamins and minerals, processes glucose. The next internal organ is stomach, and the functions are the stomach is a muscular elastic pear-shaped bag lying crosswise in the abdominal cavity beneath the diaphragm. Its main purpose is digestion of food through production of gastric juices, which break down, mix and chew the food into a thin liquid. Next internal organ is lungs, and the functions are the lungs function to draw oxygen from the air and transport into bloodstream and to remove carbon dioxide from the blood. This whole process is known as gas exchange. Lungs also supply the airflow with the help of which human speech is possible. Next internal organ is brain, and the function are the brain is control center of the nervous system and is located within the skull. Its functions include muscles control and coordination, sensory reception and integration, speech production, memory storage, and the elaboration of thought and emotion. Next internal organ is intestine. The functions are the intestines are located between the stomach and the anus and are divided into 2 major sections, the small intestine and the large intestine. The function of the small intestine is to absorb most ingested food. The large intestine is responsible for absorption of water and excretion of solid waste material.